So
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills in.
good morning. I'm just awake, guys. And yeah, I sleep late last night. I was talking to kids until 2 a.m. But I thought this looks like swallowing. So, how are you, everyone? We're gonna get up, we're gonna go to the garden, checking the garden, and then we're gonna do yoga later, and cleaning, something like that. I'm hungry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki's Journey 2.0. So for today's video, we're gonna go to the garden and check. Yeah, of course, we just wake up, and then I'm almost drinking my coffee, my latte, and I have also a cake to be. So we're gonna do first the vlogging and then eating. So let's go. I'm gonna check. My outfit for today is just like this thing. So we're gonna go to the garden, and also the garden at the back of the house is almost finished. The stones, the roof is delivered already. So in a few, maybe tomorrow or today, I don't know, or tomorrow, it will be finished. So it's a good thing because I can do live outside with the roof and blah blah blah. And then I will gonna show you my garden here, a small one. There's our garden, our flowers, I mean. And I have also here, I don't know what is that. So we need to water the one here because I put some cherry seeds, our wine that is not you. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna check our garden. Look at that, guys. Look at that. This is from last year. Just grow in there and blah blah blah. Anyway, we're gonna check if people there is people at the garden because I'm shy to go there. If there is. Oh, look. There is from the neighbor. I think they have a garage sales. Look at that. Oh, kadako na ba yan? Uy, grabe naman dito. Ay, ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki ng bulaklak. Dako kaya lang kalabasa. So, mag-check na ta sa ato ang kuan. Naglandi-landi pa manggod si Nikki. Nagsaring-saring ba. So, look at that, guys. The neighbor. From the neighbor, it's good. But I cannot. It's really, they have a lot of. But also me, I am alone. They are couple. Wala. Kadako na. Very big. It's very big again. I think I should clean it, guys. Mais, namunga na. Look. One check. So a lot of kuan guys. Mais, mang-harvest na taog mais. Oh, really? Again, I need to kuan guys. The pichay is very fat. Look. Oh, wala di ay ito na kuan. So look at the pitsay guys, the cabbage, it's butter and the salad. So mais, I can maybe in 2 weeks, no, I'm not sure. Some of them are kuan. And tomatoes, a lot. Grabe, how many kilos is that? Long pajubi. And mungus. Mungus guys. And repolyo. Chicken there. So see that chicken in the garden. We're gonna go back to the house. La 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 la. So guys, we are back here and we're gonna start our journey for today. Drink our latte. It's a cold already, guys. And we're gonna slice our cake. I think I will, after this, maybe only one slice, and I will gonna take rice in vegetables that I cooked from last night because I'm hungry. So here is our cake. We're gonna slice it. Tak. Banana cake. Oh, I baked this banana cake last night. It's a very good one. Hola. So I'm not only for a sexy thing, but I can bake and I can cook, I can clean. Oh, that's very moist, huh? Very moist. Fluffy. Oh, see? Oh, see? Oh, you want? This is very good. Who wants to eat banana cake? Ganyan kasi na ay mga langaw, gagmay. You want a bite? You want one bite? Mga una, mga una, mga una. Mga una ta guys. guys. Give me time to eat and I will be back later. Mwah! Hi guys, I'm back inside. I was doing yoga outside and it was too warm and I feel like weak. I'm weak. Feel weak. So now we go out again. I'm wearing with my another shirt. We're going to harvest some zucchini. So we're gonna go there and harvest it. Oh my god. Yeah, I better do my yoga this time like this. It's 6 o'clock and it's really sunny. So we're gonna go there. We have our cutter. So nobody here. Then we're gonna harvest. We have a good size zucchini, guys. So our one is not good. I mean, it's not taba. It's not taba. So we're gonna do this. Talk. It's a big one. Okay. Here. I think also we need this to harvest. Oh, that's very good. We're gonna harvest it because it's a lot. Maybe the snail will take it. You know that. Uy, Allah. Dako na. Ay, wait, we don't grab it. We have here. It was the big one, but it has the smallest wood. Ano to? So guys, hola. Oh, this is good. Look. That's big. Here. This is radish. Red one. Oh, we have a lot. We have a lot, guys. How many? 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11. Woo! It's very good. Look at that, guys. The zucchini. So we have our vegetables. Look at that. Oh, ayun na lang. Oh, kalabasa, yellow. Yellow color, ilang kalabasa rin. So, we have again vegetables and then we're gonna eat zucchini. Now we're gonna clean. Oh. So, here is our zucchini. It's bigger. Good this time. It's not eaten by snail. Yeah, and it's bigger. Fresh from the farm.
As I lose myself around you, girl, you got some kind of way.